Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video tutorial is for students who are in Geometry Goal 5. It's the last chapter of the course. A lot of this is going to be dealing with actual trade applicable topics, things like perimeter and area and 3D shapes. But we're going to start with some pretty basic stuff. Like a decent amount of this you probably got right way back in your initial knowledge check, but just to be on the safe side, we're going to make sure we have everything covered. So I'm going to scroll our way down. Find the perimeter of the following polygon. Like this one, honestly, you should have gotten in your initial knowledge check. To be perimeter is to trace your way around something. To trace your way around something means you're going to be adding up all the sides. So that is going to be, let's see here, that's 29, 39, 42. Just doing that really fast in my head. Let's see here, this will be 17 plus 10 plus 10 plus 12, so 20, 37, 49 yards. I don't even need a calculator for this. Perimeter on a grid. So let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. Let's try that again. 10, 11, 12. So 12 units. Keep in mind the title. This one says perimeter. There's another one that says area. This one is going to be 2, 4, 6, and 8. No, wait, that's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 8 plus 4, which is 12 units. So what happened, because I just did that fast, 4 on this side, which means there's 4 on this side. So I doubled it to get 8. There's 2 on this side. Doubled it to get 4. Okay, next up, perimeter of a square or rectangle. So what you're doing here, this is where if your brain is calibrated correctly, you can do some shortcuts, or you can just do it the long way. Since this is a square, square means all sides are congruent. So this is 23, this is 23, this is 23. What I'm going to do, as someone who knows the shortcuts, I'm just going to do 4 times 23, which is 92 feet squared. This one, we can also do something similar. Since this is 23, that means this is 23, this is 17, so this is 17. So I'm going to double my 23, and then I'm going to double my 17. So that's going to be 46 plus 34, which is 80 yards. What am I doing writing square, Ms. Dubois? I'm having a bad morning, apparently. All right, perimeter of a piecewise rectangular figure. This one, back in the dark ages when I was a middle school teacher, drove kids utterly nuts until I do something really simple. Oh, so that means this is 5, and this is 4, which means this then, because it's a rectangle, is 4. And now we can add up all of the sides. So we have 9 plus 6, because this is still 9 for our purposes, plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4, the missing side, plus 16. All right, 9 and 6 is 15 plus, so 9 and 6 is 15, plus 10 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 20 is going to be 50 feet. Let's see here. Again, we have a missing side here until you realize that, oh, wait. Okay, so if this is 5, then this must be 6, which means this is 6. So 16 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 11. Okay, let's see here. 16 and 5 is 21, and 9 is 30, and 6 is 36, and 7 is 43. 43 plus 12 is 54 feet. So I keep wanting to say squared because I'm so used to area. Missing length, so probably this topic should be done before this one, but again, you have this set up. This is going to be 4 yards. What's 12 minus 4? 8, and if this side is 8, therefore this side is 8. Same thing over here. Where's our missing side? Right here. So if this is 4, what's 13 minus 4? 9, therefore this is 9. Very, very simple, straightforward. Next up, algebraic expression. So 9, 3x, 6, 9x, and 5. And now we just combine like terms. So 3 and 9 is 12x. 9, 6, and 5 is 20. That's all you're doing. So this is what? This is going to be 9x plus 17 plus 15x plus 4. 9 and 15 is 24x, and then 17 and 4 is 21. That's all you're doing for that one. Very, very straightforward. A throwback to Algebra 1. Find the length. So last topic of the section. Let's see here. The perimeter is 132. So I was cheating my way around this earlier. Perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. We're told the perimeter is 132. So twice the length, which is 4x plus 3, plus twice the width, which is 3x. Well, gee, this only has one variable. That means we can solve it all the way back in Algebra 1, Chapter 1. So 132 equals distribute. That's going to be 8x plus 6 plus 6x like terms. So 132 equals 14x plus 6. Oh, look, a two-step. Minus 6 minus 6. So 126 equals 14x divided by 14 divided by 14. Let's see here. 5. I actually don't know that off the top of my head. Let's pull out a calculator. So what is it? It's going to be 126 divided by 14. My guess is 13. 9. I wasn't even close. So x equals 9. And then what are they looking for? Find the length of xy. So we're not actually done here. xy is which one? That's this one right here. So we want xy equals 3 times 9 equals 27. That right there is SAT level of trickery, where you go as far down as getting your xy, and then they ask for something else in complete contrast to that. So always be aware of that. So perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. Now that we know what the setup is, the perimeter is 100. So twice the what? 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1 plus twice the what? 2y plus 1. Okay, so 100 equals distribute. So 6y minus 2 plus distribute 4 plus miss 2. Well, I'll write correctly 4y plus 2. Like terms, 100 equals, wow, 10y, and then the 2's, oh, the 2's completely cancel. Divide by 10, divide by 10, y equals 10. And what are they actually looking for? PQ. What's PQ? PQ is this side, which means we're using this measure. So 3 times 10 minus 1, 30 minus 1, 29 is our answer. And that is everything for the first goal of geometry. I'm going to be having an honest-to-God challenge, keeping all of these fitted into one thing. But that's everything for now. We'll see you in the next one. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.